Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Adobe Creative Cloud files with versioning habits, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin updating your Adobe Creative Cloud files, open the Creative Cloud desktop application. Sign in using your Adobe ID if prompted. Once signed in, navigate to the Files tab located in the left panel. In the Files section, locate the project folder that contains the document you wish to update. Click on the folder to open it and view the files inside. Find the specific file you want to update. Before making any changes, check the versioning settings. To do this, right-click on the file and select Version History from the drop-down menu. This will show you a list of previous versions along with their timestamps. Make a note of the latest version or any significant changes made in prior versions. Now, open the file in the appropriate Adobe application, such as Photoshop or Illustrator. Make the necessary updates or edits as per your project requirements. After completing your changes, save the file in the same location. When prompted, choose to save as a new version instead of overwriting the existing file. Provide a clear and descriptive name for the new version for easy identification. This practice helps establish a versioning habit that makes tracking changes easier. Return to the Creative Cloud desktop application and refresh the Files section. You should see your newly saved version appear in the list. To view the updated version history, once again right-click the file and select Version History. If necessary, you can revert to an older version at any time using this feature. Additionally, consider regularly updating your files to maintain good version control. Establish a consistent naming convention for versions to enhance organization. Lastly, make it a habit to regularly review your version history to monitor changes over time. This will ensure your work remains organized and accessible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.